the reducing balance method. And rather than calculating the asset will reduce by the same amount each year, this method is calculated by reducing the value of the asset by a set percentage each year. In order to do this, you first take the historic value and times that by the percentage the asset will fall in value that year. This is then repeated each year for the duration of the asset's life within the business. Let's take the same scenario as we used for the straight line method. A bakery has purchased a van for its deliveries for £30,000. This means the historic value is £30,000. They expect the van to depreciate by 20% per year for the duration of its 4-year expected life within the business. The table shows how this calculation looks over the van's expected life of 4 years. We times each starting value by 0.2, as this is the multiplier that gives you a value of 20%. For example, if we wanted to reduce the balance by 10%, we will multiply the figure by 0.1. In year 1, the historic value of the van is £30,000. To find the depreciation that year, you multiply that by 0.2, which gives you a depreciation for that year of £6,000. We then find the value of the van at the end of that year by using the value at the start of the year, which is £30,000, and subtract the depreciation just calculated of £6,000. This gives an end of year value of £24,000. This value is then carried over to the start of year 2, as that is now the van's value at the start of the second year of its life. You then continue to depreciate the van by 20% each year until the van has reached the end of its expected life. As you can see, the residual value after 4 years of reducing balance depreciation is £12,288. The business will record larger expenses in terms of depreciation in the first year of the van's life. As the name suggests, each year this will reduce until the van is sold or no longer in the business. Unlike the straight line method, where each year the business will record the same rate of depreciation.